Hey guys, Anna here, and I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to collect videos that you find on YouTube into playlists. This is a good way to curate materials and resources that you find by topic so that you can come back and refer to them later and also share them with others. So I'm in YouTube today, and what I've done is I've found 3 videos that I would like to save. They're all around a certain theme. It's very quick to just scroll down underneath, and there's a little save button with a plus that's kind of showing you add to a list. So save. And if you already have playlists, you'll see a list of them here, and you can select the one that you want to add it to, and it just does it that quickly. It's already added to my playlist. On the next one I'll show you, if you don't already have a playlist or you need to make a new playlist, if you click on Create New Playlist, you can give it a name, and then you can set the privacy of the playlist. There are 3 different options. Public means other people will be able to see your playlist freely. They can search for it, and if it's relevant, it will come up. Unlisted means that you can share it with other people, so you could copy the link and send it to a friend, but it's not going to come up in search results. People are only going to see it if you share it with them or somebody else shares it with them. And then private would be like for your, secret obsession with Taylor Swift or something that you don't want anybody to know about. So you'll set the privacy that you want. Click create, and it automatically not only creates the playlist but adds. You see down here it said added to playlist. So that is how you do it. Where to find those once you have saved things to your playlist is once you're on the front page of YouTube, over on the left hand side, you'll click library. It's going to show you a history of recent videos that you viewed. Your watch later playlist is here. I'll talk about that in a second. And then here is a list of all your playlists. They're in order of last accessed. You can click on the thumbnail image here, and you see it says play all. That will just start playing the playlist in order. Or you can click on view pull playlist underneath, and that's going to pull up a list of all the videos, and then you can play them individually. So that's how you do that. The last thing I wanted to show you is the Watch Later playlist. And if I go back to the front of YouTube, Watch Later is a special playlist that comes up automatically. It's automatically created for you. And the way Watch Later works is you can add anything to it right from the front page. So if I go right here and hover over this video and just click the little clock, it's going to automatically add it to Watch Later. That's great if you have a few minutes to browse, but you don't really have time to watch any videos. You can quickly add them to be able to watch them later on. So they'll appear here underneath your library. There's history and watch later, and it'll have all the things you've tagged to watch later on. One last note about creating playlists. The very first time you ever try to create a playlist, it's going to ask you, do you want to create a YouTube channel? Because you have to have a YouTube channel in order to have a place to save those playlists. So just approve that. You don't have to upload videos or anything like that. And you can go ahead and start adding playlists and curating the videos that you find. Thanks, guys. Bye.